Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can register in your Grab merchant account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.merchant.grab.com. So once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Grab Merchant. So once you're here, you can find a sign up button right over here. So simply tap on sign up. So once you tap on sign up, you will be redirected to this kind of interface. So here, all you need to do now is simply tap on Be Our Partner. So once you tap on Be Our Partner, you can simply choose which merchant you want to be. So you can be a food merchant or your Grab partner, delivery partner, or anything. So simply tap on it, and once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on sign up option, and once you do this, you will need to now simply fill all the credentials that have been asked by Grab. So once you tap on sign up, you will be redirected to this page. You need to fill in all the credentials and connect it with your Google or with your Apple, and simply hit the sign up button, and you are all done. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.